To interpret and execute data, we use CPU. To know what is CPU, you are welcome to Rain Computer. All kinds of computing devices, such as tablets, PCs, or laptops, features a brain-like unit called the Central Processing Unit, in short CPU. It is a small but mighty computer chip found on top of the motherboard in your PC. It's placed into the CPU socket with its pins facing down. A central processing unit is also called a central processor or a main processor. It is the electronic circuit that executes instructions comprising a computer program. This block diagram represents the working of the CPU. The CPU includes control unit and the arithmetic logic unit. The data are received from input device and it would be displayed in the output device. To communicate between these devices, the control unit is used. The arithmetic logic unit executes the computer instructions or the codes and it writes back to the memory unit. CPU executes an instruction by fetching it from the memory using its arithmetic logic unit to perform an operation and then storing the result back to the memory. Most computer resources are managed by the control unit. It communicates with input-output devices for transfer of data or results from storage. It does not process or store data. The fetching, decoding, executing and write back are the basic primary function of a processor. In mobile phones, laptops, computers, washing machine, we do have the processors. There are various companies involved in the manufacture of processors. Intel, AMD, Motorola, Samsung, IBM. You have heard of these companies. Here I have given an example from the name of the processor. How can we identify the details about the processor? Intel Pentium Silver with a CPU with a number N5030 and the processor speed, that is processor base frequency, is given at the rate of 1.10 kHz. That rate signifies the speed at which the transistor open and close. There are some other range of Intel products are there. Intel Celeron, Intel Pentium, Intel Core. In some of the processor you might have noticed i9, i10 and all. That signifies the generation of the CPU. Here the Intel Pentium Silver, you have the code N5030. That includes a single letter prefix. The silver model includes the single letter prefix followed by a 4-digit number. That is the SKU number, that is stock keeping unit, or generally the product name, number and the generation. We do have Intel Pentium Gold model also. So every company follows a naming convention for their processor to identify their speed and the generation of it. There are different types of processors also there based on their functionality. We have embedded processor is one of the type of processor which is designed to control mechanical function and electrical functions. The digital signal processor are used in barcode scanners, mobile phones, and they are fast and used for real-time applications. Multiprocessors are used when very high speed is required to process a large volume of data. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.